Unit 22. Consolidation. Read the passage and answer the questions.
Working in the house. Today is Sunday. It is fine and warm. The Pikes are working in the house now. Mr. Pike is cleaning the doors and the windows. Peter is helping him. Dick is cleaning the floor. Mrs. Pike and Susan are in the kitchen. Mrs. Pike is washing the dishes. Susan is helping her. The Pikes are not free today. They are busy but they are happy.
Questions.
What's today? What's the weather like? Are the Pikes working in the house or in the garden? What's Mr. Pike doing? Is Peter helping him? Is Dick cleaning the ceiling? Where are Mrs. Pike and Susan? What's Mrs. Pike doing? Is Susan helping her? Are the Pikes free or busy today? Are they happy?